Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to equip skin in Archero 2. Alright, let's begin. Now, as a brand new globally released game, there isn't really too many features when it comes to controlling the skins of characters, unlike in Archero 1 where multiple skins have already been released. Now, with almost little to no info about this, the only way to technically equip a skin in Archero 2 is to go to switch skin in our equip section. So tap on your profile picture at the top where you will find equip section and then go to our avatars. Right now the only skin we could find is the skin for this default character. As you can see, it's very cutesy and we're wearing it right now. You can switch into the skin by pressing the shirt icon above the head of the character. Surely there will be more updates that will include new skins, but as of now there isn't currently official nor definite updates about this. So for now, this is all we can do. So that's basically how you can equip skin in Archero 2. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.